In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Flight Duration 3 fireworks in Minecraft 26.1.2 updated 2026 guide. To get started, make sure you have the correct materials ready. You will need 1 paper and 3 gunpowder. These are the only ingredients required to craft a basic Flight Duration 3 firework rocket. If you are only trying to increase the flight time, you do not need any firework stars for this recipe. Once you have your materials, go to a crafting table and open it. Using a crafting table is important here because it gives you the full crafting grid needed for the recipe. After the crafting menu opens, you will see the 3x3 crafting area where you can place your items. Now place the 1 paper and the 3 gunpowder into the crafting grid. For this recipe, the paper and gunpowder can be placed anywhere in the grid. The exact position does not matter as long as all 4 ingredients are inside the crafting area at the same time. Minecraft will recognize the recipe automatically and show the firework rocket in the result box. When the recipe appears, you will get Flight Duration 3 firework rockets. This flight duration means the rocket will travel farther and stay in the air longer than lower duration versions. That makes it especially useful if you are using fireworks for Elytra flight, since longer duration rockets give you a stronger boost while flying. Once they are in your inventory, they are ready to use whenever you need them. You can launch them normally, or use them while flying with an elytra for extra speed and distance. If the recipe does not appear, check your ingredients again. Make sure you are using exactly 1 paper and exactly 3 gunpowder. If you use less gunpowder, you will get a lower flight duration. If you use the wrong items entirely, the rocket will not craft. That is the full process. Gather 1 paper and 3 gunpowder. Open a crafting table. Place the ingredients anywhere in the crafting grid, and then move the crafted Flight Duration 3 firework rockets into your inventory. That covers everything you need to know.